pleasure of introducing Manhattan Borough President Gail Brewer.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Mr. President. Thank you, Jessica. It's an honor to be here with these amazing musicians. Usually they're far away in the orchestra, and to be near them is a privilege and an honor, but also to be near them in their personal negotiation, willing to participate, to negotiate style. I've had the opportunity to meet with them, and I know that they're committed to coming to a resolution. I want to make that very, very clear to the Metropolitan Opera. A lockout would be terrible. I was the city council member in this area for 12 years. I know every restaurant, every business, every person who has any kind of an establishment in this neighborhood. It would be terrible for the city of New York. So we absolutely, and I've been pushing and pushing with the Metropolitan Opera not to have a lockout. I also want to say that these musicians contribute something that they deserve to be paid for. I don't care what you think it is that is deserved. It is deserved. This is the greatest orchestra in the world. Every other orchestra looks up to them, and what we cannot have is musicians to leave this orchestra, because when they leave this orchestra they go to other cities, other countries. We need to keep the musicians here with the benefits and the salaries and the support that they deserve. So I love Local 802. I have for a very long time, and I believe that they want to negotiate. We don't need a lockout. We don't need it for the economy, for the city. Let's all go to opening night. Thank you very much.